Hello guys, good morning. This is Afsar Alam and this video is about my weight loss journey that I have taken target of 3 months. So this is the update of week 10 and this update is not so good again. As you can see me in the mask because it is Corona period. Corona disease is ongoing and there is a lot of crowd, so it is better to keep mask on. As you know, in my last week, week 9, I was 66.8 kg, right? And in the week 8, I was 66.3 kg. So in the last week, I got a weight gain of 500 grams. So let's see whether weight has reduced or increased this week, in the week 10. Let's go on the weighing scale. As you saw me on the weighing scale, that my current weight is 66.7. So from last week, it is just reduced to 100 grams, and which is not sufficient because I am nearing my target deadline is almost near, and I am not reducing the weight. There are some reasons because usually I am not going to gym, right? I was doing it in the outdoor. And what happened now, this season, this December in Kuwait is called as raining season, and as well as this is winter season. So as you can see, most of the people are in jacket. So what happens here in the winter, rain also happens. So you know, most of the time it is raining in the day, and the time I have my free time, you know, the time I got free, that time rain has already started. So rain was ongoing. And this is the reason I was unable to go out to do the jogging, walking and the exercise. So whatever weight I am maintaining is from my calorie, you know, from my calorie intake. So I am taking calorie with a lot of, you know, mindfulness, you know, so that I should not increase the weight. So what my motto now is, instead, if I cannot reduce the weight further, at least I should not increase it, okay? So I am trying to maintain. But I have to achieve my target, that what the target I have taken to reduce it to 64 kg by the end of this month, you know, 31st December. So I have some plan how to do it, even if the outdoor activity I cannot do because of the rain. If outdoor activities is closed or is not suitable because of the rain, because of the cold weather. So I have some plan. So the plan number 1 is to go further calorie deficit, okay? So I will try to reduce my calories by 200 calories more, 2 to 300 calories more, okay? So this is one of the weight, because this is winter season and I will not burn a lot of energy, so I don't need a lot of energies, right? A lot of calories. So I will take, first of all, I will take less calorie. Further I will reduce this to 2 to 300 calories, okay? The second thing what I thought is, my building is 8 floor high. So what I will do, I will just go up and down at least 2 or 3 times or 4 times, so that I can burn at least some calories while stepping up the ladders, the stairs. And plan number 3 is to do whatever exercise I was doing outside, to do it indoor, you know, whatever possible, I will do it in my home, in my room itself, okay? Like planks, squats, push-ups, all these exercises I will do in my home itself, because that is the only way. You can see the raining has started and everybody has gone. Wait, I will show you in this mirror. See? So I am not going to give up. Of course I am not going to give up. I still have 3 weeks of time to execute my plan and to achieve my goal. I will achieve it. I will find out other plan and other way to reduce weight in this raining and winter season. As you can see, raining has started again, you know, see, hope you can see it. So this is the reason, you know, I am not going out and I am unable to do the workout, and I do not want to go to gym as well, because you know, you don't have so much of time to go to gym and do something indoor, you know. I don't love doing anything indoor. I love to go out, you know, and do some activities. So this is the reason I will not join gym, but what I can do is I will just reduce the calorie intake and the step count, okay, the stair, climbing the stair. Okay, so that's all for this guy for this week, guys. It was not a good news, but at least I'm feeling I'm very positive that I'm very confident that I will get a better result in the next week. Okay, and there will be something good to share with you. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.